Let us have another example in exponential equation. So this is the problem. We have the half-life of zinc 71 is 2.45 minutes. Initially, there were y sub 0 grams of zinc 71, but only 1 over 256 of this amount remains after some time. How much time has passed? So from our previous lesson, we discussed the applications of exponential functions, equations, and inequality. So we discussed there the exponential decay by half-life. So from there, we have an exponential model y, which is the amount of substance after some time, after few years. And we have y sub 0, which is the initial amount of the substance multiplied by 1/2 because of half-life. Then we have time over the half-life of the substance. So we have a given. Our given here, we have half-life, which is 2.45 minutes. Then it says here initially there were y sub 0. So our initial is y sub 0. But only 1 over 256 of this amount remains after some time. So that means our y is 156 of y sub 0. Then we are going to find the time or the number of years it takes to have a 1 over 256 y sub 0. So we have y, which is 156 y sub 0 equals to y sub 0 times 1/2, and we have time over 200 over 2.45 minutes. So our unit for the time is minutes. So the time also that we're looking for is also in unit of minutes. So we have y sub 0 to both sides of the equation. Now we can just cancel that because we can divide both sides to its self. So y sub 0 over y sub 0, that is 1. Y sub 0 over y sub 0 is also y sub 0. So now we have 1 over 256 equals to 1/2 raised to t over 2.45. So getting the value of time, we need to make these two sides to have the same basis. So 1 over 2 can be raised to a certain exponent to become 1 over 256. What is that value? So we can have 2 raised to 8, which is equals to 256. Because 2 times 2, that is 4, times 2, that is 8, times 4, that is 16, times 2, 32, times 2, 64, times 2, 128 times 2, that is 256. So we have here 1 over 2 is 2, 8. Then we have equals to 1 over 2 is to t over 2.45. So since we now have equal bases for the both sides of the equation, we can now get the exponents and equate them. So we have 8 equals to t divided by 2.45. And our t now we need to both multiply our division for both sides by 2.45 to get the value of t. So 2.45 divided by 2.45, that is 1. So we can cancel it. And now the t is equals to 2.45 times 8, that is equals to 19.6. Our time is equals to 19.6 minutes. So this is the time where your half-life 1 over 256 of y sub 0 will retain. So that's it for example number 3.